The world is in a recession, whether we like it or not. When money is tight, a side business can give you independence and serve as a safety net if the economy worsens and layoffs begin to occur. Most extremely successful people have multiple sources of income. In case it isn't clear to you, more income streams are always better. Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And in today's video, here are 10 side hustles that can bring in hundreds or even thousands of dollars every day. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. Number 10 is something you're probably already familiar with as you're currently viewing it. It is on YouTube. You should consider using YouTube if you have a subject on which you are an expert, are extremely enthusiastic, or simply enjoy making material. Let's say you had a channel that made about $70,000 in your first full year of YouTube revenue, which was between AdSense and affiliates. Imagine, this year, that channel again has already generated about $180,000 in revenue from affiliates and YouTube AdSense. Are you a driver? Do you reside in a reasonably large city? Coming in at number 9 is Turo. On Turo, you can operate as a one-person, one-car rental car company by renting out your vehicle to other users. You can either do this as a full-fledged side job or business, or just enough to pay your car payment and keep your car almost free. After just a few days of renting your automobile on Turo, you might even be able to cover that monthly car payment. If you want an illustration of the prospective earnings, imagine you are a Volkswagen Jetta driver in the Houston, Texas market. The ROI on that car is 227% a year. The car's estimated worth is $16,702. Your average annual income on Turo would be $11,015 compared to the $3,363 annual vehicle loan. As mentioned in the YouTube segment of this video, YouTube requires a lot of work, therefore you may have to put other social media channels on the back burner. But pay attention to all your social app offspring, don't be a careless social media parent. One of those sites, which also brings us to number 8, is TikTok. It is an opportunity alert as other creators forget about other social media. So, if you have just even a tiny amount of skill when it comes to video editing, or just generating TikToks or social videos, then you could reach out to content creators and offer to help them. Wait a minute, how can you help them? Well, a simple way would be to ask for payment from them to take their current videos, cut them into tiny bits, and then put them together for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Stories. The price you charge them for each short form video you produce for them might then range from $25 to $100. Then, as a bonus tip, if you master the process of editing for TikTok and creating a channel, you might grow your TikTok following on your own. Use that as a channel to direct all those viewers to a YouTube channel that you also launch and monetize. If you are skilled in a certain area and are effective at communicating with others about it, number 7 is to consider consulting or coaching. Are people pleading with you to teach them how to assemble that enormous Lego sphere because you are the best Lego Death Star builder around? You can give any service, coaching, or consulting you want online right now, and you don't even need to meet someone in person to accomplish it. It has never been easier. All you need is a website where people may schedule your services and request your knowledge. For instance, you may have received a lot of requests from people in the past asking for help or recommendations on how to start and expand a YouTube channel. You can then begin working this side job. You can begin consulting and make use of Super Peer, a service, to accomplish this. In just a few minutes, you will be able to set it up, and it syncs with your calendars to show you when you're available and when you're busy. You will then be prepared for individuals to begin scheduling you and paying you for your services. You can charge anything from $50 per hour, block up to a limitless amount using platforms like Calendly, or You Can Book Me. Some individuals bill thousands of dollars for each hourly slot. The fact that you are directly exchanging your time for money is the most significant drawback to this side business. To make that transaction, though, can be quite profitable. Now, if you're looking for one of the simplest side jobs, or perhaps the laziest, is it still a side job if it's lazy? So, number 6 is you should start looking for sources to free money online. These now exist in many variations: referral links to exclusive promotions, exclusive sign-up bonuses, etc. Certain links say if you sign up for Gemini and trade $100 on the site, you will receive $10 worth of Bitcoin for free. However, you can take action by applying for brand new credit cards that provide a sizable bonus. If you're going to spend that money, why not take advantage of the $500 or $1,000 sign-up bonus? Now, if the TikTok side business piqued your interest, number 5, which is to become a free freelance video editor, will likely do the same. There is practically no upfront expense for this because you can learn how to do it for free online using resources like YouTube and other websites. Any freelancing website out there, including Upwork and Fiverr, allows you to list your editing services. Someone might also simply stumble onto you if you publish your work online, such as on YouTube. Now, on to number 4, you could be flipping stuff whenever the opportunity presented itself. It is a simple recipe for achievement. You find something valuable and you buy it for less than it's worth. You then put it somewhere else where people are looking for it, like on eBay or Craigslist or whatever, somewhere online, and you sell it for more than you bought it. Therefore, you profit. This is an idea that people create entire enterprises around. This can be a very lucrative side business, but it may take a lot of work and puts the word hassle to the test. But from another perspective, it's also a lot of fun. Some people will browse thrift shops or garage sales in search for something to resell. Finding underpriced items is all that is required, after which you should place them where you can set a fair price for them and turn a profit. If you have even rudimentary graphic design abilities, or even you're just an expert on Canva, number 3, work as a thumbnail designer. This is another side job that kind of assists individuals like those who create material, but it's also quite popular, and if you're good at it, you can earn a lot of money with it. Some designers of thumbnails may charge $10, $20, or $30 for each thumbnail, and they may create 10 to 20 or more in a single day. You can see how this job has a high earning potential. In addition, it is simple to land a job in the first place. Of course, you may advertise your skills on websites like Fiverr, but you can also approach authors personally. Show them your portfolio after that, explain how you'll save them time and effort, and generally simply tell them how you'll make their lives simpler while being rewarded. Number 2, affiliate marketing or referral links. Some examples include Chime Bank. For instance, they will give you $100 for every referral that results in an account opening with Chime Bank. The same is true with SoFi. They will pay you $50 for everyone you recommend to them who opens a bank account. Another is the Strike Bitcoin app, where you receive $10 when someone joins and they receive $10 worth of Bitcoin. Many individuals use Gumroad to sell their ebooks, courses, and other digital goods on Twitter, and many of them have affiliate programs that allow you to sell their goods on their behalf. You may make between $25 and $100 for each of these that you sell. Some people have made over $5,000 with Gumroad affiliates on Twitter. You may browse on affiliate marketplaces to uncover all the various items and services that are offered if you're intrigued about all these businesses that give affiliates or recommendations. You should look at Share a Sale, A-Win, CJ Affiliates, Rakuten Marketing if you plan to discuss any of the things sold there in a video, on YouTube, or in any other kind of media. Now, number 1, which you can do even when you're in high school, one of your very first side job could be a computer repair. Imagine you are a genuine pro at fixing computers. You are a very skilled individual if you have any knowledge about repairing, replacing, or troubleshooting computer hardware because most people have no idea what they are doing. You can charge anywhere between $12 and $35 or more per hour for each of these services, computer repair or mobile device repair. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon.